it's me, Bri. Today, let's draw a snowman together. Like this. For this picture, you'll need some paper. And turn it long ways, up and down. A black pen and some colors. I'm using colored pencils and pens. Okay, let's begin. With the black pen, we'll start to draw our snowman. Let's start with a small circle. If this is the middle of the paper, make sure your circle is above the middle. A small circle. This will be the head. Now let's draw 2 eyes made out of coal. 2 black eyes. Now let's draw a carrot nose. And a smile. Let's draw small pieces of coal in a happy smile shape. Next, our snowman is wearing a hat. Let's draw a curved line to follow his head. This hat is a top hat. Follow the sides of his face and draw lines that go up and to the side. Close the top and let's add a stripe. Next, we'll draw a warm scarf for our snowman. Under his head, make a bit of a rectangle shape. 2 more rectangles with some tassels on the end. Next comes the medium-sized circle for the middle of the snowman's body. Under the scarf, we'll make a medium circle. And on the bottom, the biggest circle of all. Let's make the circle flat on the bottom. This is because the snowman is sitting in the snow. Let's draw a snowy ground. Now our snowman needs arms. We'll make the arms out of twigs. This arm is waving hello. And this arm I'll draw straight up. One last touch, let's draw 3 buttons on the snowman. 3 small circles with 4 little dots to finish the buttons. Our drawing is finished. Now it's time to get creative with color. Let's color the hat first. I'm using black, but you can use any color you like. I'm using my favorite color, yellow, for the band around the hat. And orange for the carrot nose. Now for the scarf, I'm going to use pens and a pencil to create a striped and checkered pattern. Use your creativity to design a scarf that's perfect for your special snowman. brown pencil, I'll outline our stick arms. Last but not least, I'll color the buttons. I'm using a dark blue color. All done! Good work!
Thank you for drawing with me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.